Description: deeply hydrates fine dry, color-treated hair with key ingredients jojoba, green tea, and sage, and a signature aromatherapy blend of mint, menthol, and greens, silicone-free, sulfate-free and vegan. Benefits: a lightweight, moisturizing conditioner for dry, fine hair that restores suppleness to color-treated hair. Suggested use: after using Hydrate Sheer Shampoo, use a quarter-sized amount, lather and rinse. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect after coloring hair. I had a run-in with a very bad hairdresser who fried my hair and took a lot of conditioner to get my hair back to healthy. This was the thing that helped the most out of all the things it tried. The only product I use. I started using Pureology shampoo and conditioner years ago, and it's the only ones I'll use. My hair is so shiny, soft, and healthy. It may be expensive, but you only need to use a little bit, so it lasts much longer than other conditioners. Love it.